Hi and welcome to the workshop. I've been really busy this last 12 months or so, but I have had time to make all these different types of dovetails, well over 2 dozen, to bring you what is the best resource you could possibly have as a woodworker for dovetails. Dovetails, the hand tool approach, is my new book. It's available now all around the world, coming to stores near you. All good bookstores will be carrying this or can order this for you. And it's also available online and in ebook format. Now, as I say, there's well over 2 dozen dovetails in here. You've seen many of them that I've done in videos in the past. The book goes into more detail in all of them, tells you how to make them all. Lots of tips on how to cut dovetails, different techniques for laying out. It's got everything in there, everything you need, and it's fantastically low priced as well. So get yourself a copy, buy one for a friend, and share this information with woodworkers that you know. That's all for now. See you soon. Cheerio.